Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up the April Mindful Souls subscription box. So this is a spiritual subscription you get, mostly crystals and some other items as well. It's about a little less than $40 and they do have a code they provided for me to share with you that's 20% off. It's non-affiliated, just to help you guys out. This is kindly sent to me free for review but not sponsored. Yeah, so thank you Mindful Souls for sending this to me. Thank you guys for being here and watching. If you guys are new here, my name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes. I open them every single day here at 5 p.m. Eastern time, so I hope you consider sticking around and subscribing if you love boxes and spiritual type things too, because these are my favorite types of boxes to open these days. So I have a spiritual channel too called Kitty Outside the Box where I do like tarot, pick a card readings and daily readings and like some astrology content. So if you like this kind of box, I'm sure you'll like my other channel as well. So let's get this open. Open it up. This is what it looks like. So there's a card here. Talks about everything inside. Ooh, smells really good. I can see that there's incense in here. And every box comes with an affirmation, which is awesome. Let's see what this quote says. There's always a different quote. I love it. Pay attention to the things you are naturally drawn to. They are often connected to your path, passion, and purpose in life. Have the courage to follow them. Ruben Chavez, or Chavez. I love that. So it looks like we have 6 things this month, and yep, the majority are crystals. In addition to that, we have the affirmation. This month, the affirmation is for career. Wonderful new opportunities are opening up for me to use my unique creative skills and abilities. Awesome. We have one for money before. I actually have it like on my money altar over there. And one for ease. And I think there's one other one. I think this might be the third or fourth time I've opened this. At least the third time I've opened Mindful Souls. And then we have a sticker. That's so cute. Feel the world. I'm all happy. Like, is it a bear? My hair a mess. I'm like so tired, you guys. Sorry if you can tell, but I have a feeling this will perk me up. How about we start with the incense? Nagchampa. Nice. I don't have any of this right now. I love incense. It's like my favorite thing, so I'm super happy to get more. I've gotten this brand before, like Nature's Meditation. Was it in a Mindful Souls box? But I love that. I actually lit it earlier. I love Nagchampa. Smells so good. Yay! What does it say here? Yeah, it's enjoyed by millions. I'm like, yeah, most people love this scent. I don't even know what the blend is. Does it say here? Well, if you're unaware, it's sweet yet earthy and it enhances your mood and environment. I agree with that. And then all the items are wrapped up in these bags. I'm sorry, I feel like I need to fix my hair up. How about we start with this one? So this is what the bags look like. It has their logo on it. Feels like this is a bracelet. Yes. I love getting crystal bracelets. Ooh, what one's this? It's like midnight blue and looks like there's some mica in it. It's like glittery. Hopefully you guys can see. But it's like a very dark blue, I think. Oh. Blue goldstone bracelet. Blue goldstone combines mysterious character and origins with a very practical health benefit. Ooh. The copper particles suspended in the stone are thought to provide warming comfort to arthritic conditions and ease pain. Copper is known for bringing relief to arthritic pain by reducing inflammation while increasing mobility and flexibility. Oh, cool. The color of the stone makes it an excellent tool for restoring and balancing the third eye and third eye chakra, promoting intuition and psychic abilities. Goldstone is also said to be the stone of wealth. Sweet. As it promotes vitality and ambition. Cool. I don't know anything about goldstone, but I do love these types of bracelets. I think I got this obsidian one in a past Mindful Souls, if I remember correctly. But I like crystals, and bracelets too are a great way to like incorporate crystals into your daily practice. But let's keep going. This feels like, it's like mostly crystal. I'm like, this feels like a crystal. I'm like, why am I playing the guessing game? Let's see. Ooh, it's a crystal necklace. Is this citrine? I think so. That's cool. Citrine's one of my favorite crystals, and if you're just beginning to like get into crystals, I highly recommend it. It's all about like joy, success, manifestation, like everything really positive, and it's readily available. Like I think, yeah, a lot of the stones you get in this subscription, well, I've never heard of gold stones, so that's cool, but I feel like it's great if you're just starting to get into crystals and spirituality. Let's see, yeah, raw citrine necklace. Powered by the sun, citrine is a source of light and happiness. Its high vibes bring a clearer mind and a more positive outlook on life. Transform your raw intentions into polished realities with the manifestation power of raw natural citrine. Says citrine casts a beam of joy throughout your space and spirit. Having a piece of raw citrine in your home creates an ambience of happiness and elevates the vibrations of your home. If you feel like your home environment is a little gloomy, let the energy of the sunny stone brighten it up. See? So awesome. I like that this came on a necklace though. Because citrine is one stone I wouldn't mind wearing every single day. Like, it's cute. Oh, I feel happy face. Let's keep going. What do we have next? Oh, man, there's something that's really cool that's in here. Oh, awesome. We have a big piece of amethyst. I love getting larger stones. I want to get like a huge ass one, like, but let's see. Tumbled amethyst stone. Always love amethyst. So yeah, citrine and amethyst are two for sure. Highly recommend for people just getting started. Amethyst is a natural stress reliever that brings protection and spiritual growth. It rids your home and body of negative energy while attracting positive energy. And it holds the exact kind of relaxing energy that we all use after a long day. So it soothes away stresses that keep you up at night. So it'd be a good one to keep by your bed. I love it. It has like some weight to it. Next, there's two more items to go. We have a pendulum. This is a rose quartz pendulum. I have a few pendulums, and I left one out. I've been meaning to use mine more, but this is cool because it has the chakra like stones here, and then here is the actual pendulum. So I definitely plan on using mine more. I have a couple now, and I guess now like rose quartz is great for like self-love and compassion. Maybe I can like choose which one I use based on like, you know, the stones, and also maybe I can get to know them and know what's best for what. Like maybe one will be like for asking questions and one for dowsing and stuff like that. But this is really cool. I really like this. I like how it feels. So you have to like program it if you guys are new to make sure you know like what movement means yes or no. I'm really excited to get started with this. Yay! It reminded me that I wanted to do more pendulum work. So a pendulum with the calming properties of rose quartz crystal. It's to start using a pendulum, you hold the small end in your hand, remaining very still and ask a yes or no question. If the pendulum moves in a circle, the answer is yes. Okay, so they tell you how to program it a certain way, so you can go with that, especially if it's new to you. I even have like a pendulum board I can like do it for, but do whatever works for you with any part of your spiritual practice. But I like that they have a guideline for beginners, because the last item is super cool. It's a comb made from jade. I saw that, I was like, what? I've never even thought to have a comb. I've had like facial tools like washes and stuff with crystals. Oh. I was just saying how my hair is kind of bothering me. So should I charge it before I use it on my hair? So jade hair comb. It's used for centuries to stimulate blood circulation, promoting new hair growth. Cool. I would love like thicker, more full hair, but even though I like my hair. This holistic beauty treatment will leave you feeling relaxed. Combing massages all of the acupoints of the head, which regulates excitement and inhibition in the cerebral cortex. So regulating your body's meridians can be good for your overall health and can be achieved by this combing technique. Ooh, it does feel nice. Oh my god, I kind of just got like chills. Cool. This might be the most interesting or like my favorite thing in here. But so we got a tumbled amethyst, the blue goldstone bracelet, the citrine necklace, the rose quartz pendulum, the jade hair comb, and the incense. This is super unique and cool. I'm excited to use this, but I'm excited about everything. Yeah, I'm probably going to light some of that incense right away and use that to smoke cleanse my crystals. I like to do that. And then after I smoke cleanse them, I like to charge each one with an intention. Like amethyst, I can be like to relieve stress, for example. I don't know if that's what I'm going to say, but you can, if you get a crystal and you're just trying to start out and do that, you can read the descriptions here. I like that they provide some information on what the crystals mean. But that is everything for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below. And again, thank you to Mindful Souls for sending this to me and for providing us that code. So I'll link them down below along with that 20% code. And my other channel, I hope you consider subscribing there and here. I'm so happy you guys are here. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you.